Dr. Castleberry here, talking to you all about core concepts relating to COM 2113, media culture and social influence. In this video, we're going to look at another weekly assignment we have in COM 2113, and that is the TV recapping exercise. Now, this is a writing exercise, although there is some room for potential innovation in later weeks and later entries. Our goal with this aligns with one of our learning outcomes for students in the Comm Media and Ethics major, which is we're seeking to help train content creators for future professional positions. And a content creator is a blanket term used by the industry to essentially designate people that are able to use their voice to communicate to a mass audience and in either a written or digital format, okay? And when we think about content creation, it comes in various types. We're seeing thousands and even millions of content creators on social media every day. But there can be, as you've likely observed, a difference between those that have something to say and those that are simply making noise. And what we want to do, what we're aspiring toward is learning how to have something to say. In recent decades, television has been an emerging medium of significance culturally, socially, politically. And so in recognizing that TV in its new and old forms, right? Whether we're thinking about traditional rabbit ears or cable, satellite, but now also competition in the form of streaming and TV as it's broadcast throughout social media channels and other avenues and outlets. Learning how to construct your voice, form, and share an opinion is important. And so what we're looking at here is a weekly exercise where you are writing and reporting on a specific program of your choosing. In other words, you're writing a TV recap. Now, recaps can vary in quality and quantity, right? Their length, and also their depth. But this is an exercise designed to give us a chance to strengthen our writing voice. All right. Increasingly, we diversify projects for students, and they may resemble a number of different focal points and methods of execution, but this is a traditional writing exercise, okay? And we can't stress enough the importance of writing in various professional positions that you will go into, all right? And this is where it's exciting because that certainly applies to everyone, not just those in the major. So if you're just joining us for a couple of your humanities electives hours, fear not. We're going to give you that opportunity to work on those soft skills, all right? And so developing a TV recap means selecting a TV text or artifact to study. We want students to identify the same text and then chart that over the course of the class. If we did 5 different shows, we may not necessarily be able to isolate that program as well and get to something much deeper about what it is attempting to articulate. Whether it's in fictional form or maybe some sort of allegorical or nonfiction setting about our real world. And so following a show closely for 5 weeks gives us an opportunity to learn through repetition and gain more confidence as writers. Recapping can take on a number of forms, and I think some of the most generic TV recappers simply regurgitate what an episode of TV is about. However, we are encouraging you to work on your writing voice. And so our goal isn't simply to just regurgitate what we see in the program itself. Now, to help us with that, we have a recommended strategy, which is often referred to as the DIET formula. DIET being an acronym for describe, interpret, evaluate, and theorize. If you take each of these in succession, you will find a tool or method that can help you dissect that televisual text with greater efficiency and hopefully originality. So that is the goal that we have in mind for our TV recapping weekly writing exercise, and it is designed to help us improve those writing skills. Let's remember to, of course, include a cover page and references page, because yes, even TV shows are sources and should be cited accordingly by the style standard that is designated in the course. Thank you for listening.